Hello guys, welcome. Today we will learn how to make bolt in Fusion 360. First of all, select Sketch, click on Top View. Now select Circle or press C from keyboard, and draw a circle of diameter 16 mm for body and 24 mm for head. Click on Finish Sketch. Now click on the inner circle area, make it Extrude by Extrude feature, or press E from keyboard, extrude it for 60 mm. Now go to Browser, click on View Sketch, select the sketch, further select the area of outer circle and extrude it for 10 mm. Press the OK. Select the top surface and go to Sketch. For hexagonal head, we have to create for either hexagonal on surface. Select the line or simply press L from keyboard. For clear view, click on bottom plane from glob. Now select the point on top of circle and give length of 12 mm, half of circle diameter. Select other point of line on circle. Do same for each 6 lines. Starting point will be end point of last line. Give length of 12 mm, and select other point on circle. Click on Finish Sketch. Now, select the area between arc and line, for all side of hexagonal. Create extrude cut for 10 mm. Select all the sharp edges of head. Further, select the fillet from modification features or simply press F from keyboard. Give the fillet value 1 mm. Now, go to Create and select the thread feature. Select the surface of bolt body. Click on Module checkbox. Remove click from full length checkbox, or simply drag arrow from model. So, we can create thread length as per requirement 25 mm. In thread, you can select types of thread. Pitch can be adjusted by designation row, class and also direction of thread. Right hand or left hand can also be done from here. For strength, remove the sharp edges, so, give fillet of 0.5 mm, press OK. For modification, we will know how to write texts. Select the bolt head surface and create sketch. Now click on texts. Write the text M1660 mm. Adjust the text in center of head. Give the height 3 mm. Click on Finish Sketch. Select the sketch end, make extrude cut for 1 mm. Press OK. M1660 mm bolt is ready. Thank you for watching video. I hope you learned something new. If you like it, hit the like button. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Knowledge is key to success. See you next time with new video.